How to build an online empire. Guys, just give me 10 minutes of your time. I'm going to show you how to access over $2,500 retail price courses that will help you build a business, guys. I'm talking about an online course, anything to get your business off. I will show you how to access this completely free, no money out of your pocket. No gadgets. It's just a completely free access to this course. Stay tuned. Before we get into the training, guys, I would like you to click that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you will be notified the next time I do another video. Also, guys, I will have a link below this video of some powerful tools that you can use to market your business online. Guys, I'll see you in the training. Hello guys, Willie D. Jernett here again, guys. I just want to share this with you. I just came across it, the other day, and I just decided I wanted to share it with you guys. I mainly do Pinterest teaching and stuff. I want to make my channel, specifically to Pinterest caterers and trying to improve on that, but I couldn't pass this opportunity up, and I need to share this with you guys while this offer is still on the table, guys. Teachable has some classes that they want to offer you. From some reputable people. You see Deiss right here. You see Danielle Linsley. You see Start Mom Blog. Hey guys, Suzy. I'm just telling you, these classes are free, and what we're gonna do in this video training right quick, I'm just gonna thumb through it and just show you what's behind the curtain, guys. I just want to show you, and I will show you. I will have a link to access how to get to this free course. I'm talking about. I said 7 in the beginning. It is actually 8 plus something I'm going to give you absolutely free that you can have to get your business started too. I will let you have access to all that free. Let's just start right here. This is Pat Flynn, guys. I don't know if you guys have heard of Pat Flynn. Pat Flynn is an awesome marketer, guys. He is good, and I'm just telling you, this is actually inside the course, guys. This is his course that is being offered to you guys absolutely free. And I'm trying to tell you, you need to take advantage of this, because good courses cost a pretty good amount of change. And I understand that some people get involved in courses, and simply because it's free, they sit down on the log. Guys, you don't need to sit down on this one. These courses that I'm going to pass through, you do not need to sit down, because this could be the course that will get you going in your business when you don't have a lot of money outside your pocket, guys. This right here can get you really, really going, guys. And that's Pat. I'm just showing you inside the course, so you won't think I'm just throwing some up. I'm going to take you through each and every last one, and we're going to close this one out. That was Pat Flynn. Now, we're going to go to Start a Mom. And this is by Suzy. Let me tell you something, guys. Every last one of these are 11 modules. If I need to click on them, all of them, I will. All of them got something in there. Look at it. I'm just kind of taking it through, guys. This is kind of setting you up. Be honest with you guys, this is setting you up for how to be able to do a blog, guys. And this is I have some of her courses, guys. I have some of her courses. This is how to set you up to do a blog. I do Pinterest. She does Pinterest. She teaches Pinterest. So guys, this right here will get you started. This will get you set up far as blogs and everything, So I'm just telling you, this is, yeah. When I came across this, I just could not I had to do some and show you guys on this channel. Now let's go over to Ryan Deiss, guys. Man, I do you not realize this guy is one of the, wow, I'm talking about, this guy is top in his field. You getting a little bit of a course with him, guys. I mean, I'm talking about his courses teach you how to think about what to be aware of when it comes to online marketing. Sometimes you don't think of the mental approach to the course or the business side of it before you just start doing. You know how you see a lot of people online just say, make money here, make money there, and things of that nature. This guy here teaches you how to brainstorm on the approach to owning a business online. And I'm telling you, the guy is good. You know, the guy is good. I got a couple of his courses too, guys. So let's go on to the next one. Danielle Leslie. And you know, I'm going to tell you something. I started following her on Instagram, guys. I started following her on Instagram. And she is good. She goes through and explains to you how she started a business, guys. And I'm telling you, she started a business up from nothing. From nothing. And guys, she makes over $1 million, guys. I'm just, you know, I am not a person that flatters money or anything like that, but I'm just telling you, you have access to that kind of training, guys. I'm just going to tell you. Now, let's go to her. Let me see. May I clicked on it wrong here? Maybe I didn't. I don't know. Well, it was supposed to go to her site. I don't know what happened, unless I logged out or whatever. Don't know what happened. That this course may not be available now. At one time, that course was free. So I don't know. I don't know. It could be that I need to log back in. I don't know. Because, and let's go here. Don't know what happened here. Yeah, I might need to log. Let me see. Yeah, I might need to log back into these courses just in case. But I think when I show you these courses they should be in, because I've had this held up open so you guys can see. So, and let me just pause the video just to make sure. I just want to make sure we're clear on this. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just wanted to, I had to log back in. When I prepped for this video, I already had everything open, and sometimes those teachable courses, they'll log back out. And she is the master of trying to set up webinars, guys. You know, you can set up a webinar and bring a lot of people in, and then you can sell your product, guys. So you can come in and do that with her. So I just was familiar with her just a little while ago. So since I took this opportunity, guys. So I just had logged out. I just didn't want y'all to miss out on some good training. Now,
this is it. 1K One Day Academy is official.
I didn't mean to do that to you guys. I don't know why she didn't. It was supposed to go straight to the course.
1K One Day Academy.
I don't know what happened. That's fine. That is absolutely fine, guys. That is fine. And I think I'll log back out and log back in. You'll get access to it. But let's go on to the next thing, guys. Right here, guys, just want to get on through the program. This is Teachable. Teachable right here, and you can use this platform if you want to, and they charge you. I don't know what that is. I have my own membership course that I like to use, but guys, it teaches you how to set up a course. Look at her. It teaches you how to set up a course if you choose to use this platform. Look at her. Everything, man. If you want to do a course, especially with these guys, it teaches you how to do everything. Look at her. Everything, guys. Everything. Yeah. I'm talking about, yeah, you get this. I mean, that's why they giving it to you free. They teach you, they'll teach you how. Let's go back and look at some things that we didn't look at right here. Let's look at that. And I think this was just this was the special that we got right here. So, but yeah, guys, awesome. I don't know why. I have to find out. But when you guys get this package here, just make sure. I think you're supposed to get this Nicole Walters Training Center. I'll have to find out why that's not available. You never know. Sometimes you relog in, and then I got a lot of browsers open anyway. So, but let me tell you what I'm going to give you guys. And I kind of slipped on over there in the first place. Okay, guys, I went back to make sure that this Nicole Walters course was available. Yeah, it is. Once we were taken to this page, you had to go to my course. And then once you go to my course, then we can go in and take a look at her course, guys. Yeah, it gives you some stuff to help you get your business started. So yeah, I thought that would be cool. Just wanted to make sure all of these links work, guys. So I'm not, so you won't be discouraged. Now, again, let's go back and talk about what I have to. Okay, guys, my offer is a free product. This is a PDF and a auto recording of creating the right product. This is going to be a teaching on what you need to do to create a product before you even start creating it. This is going to teach you how to have the mindset of what you need to do to prepare everyone to create your own product. Now you will see this link sitting somewhere up here at the top of the page. This is how you access this, guys. It should be up here at the top of the page, and this is where you need to click that link to get access to this, guys. So I just want to make sure you are aware of it. It will be up here at the top. Just make sure you guys, and I'll have a link up here to let you know you can access this course, guys. So once you access this link, put your email address in, download the gift that I'm giving you, and then go ahead and have access to where you can go ahead and get all these courses, guys. Just take care, and any questions, anything that you need, just shoot me a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Take care. I see you guys on the inside.